Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a stop loss on Binance. A stop loss is a crucial tool for managing risk in cryptocurrency trading. It automatically sells your asset once it hits a predetermined price, helping to protect your capital from significant downturns. Understanding how to properly implement this feature can save you from substantial losses and provide peace of mind in a fast-moving market. Let's dive into the stop limit order, which is a common type. This order involves two distinct prices, the stop price and the limit price. The stop price acts as a trigger. Once the market reaches this point, your limit order becomes active. The limit price is the specific price at which you want your order to be executed or better. For example, if your stop is $100, your limit might be $99.50. Now, let's walk through placing a stop limit order on Binance. First, go to the trading interface and select your preferred trading pair, like BTC versus USD. Next, choose stop limit from the order type options. You'll then input your desired stop price, your limit price, and the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Always double-check all the details carefully before confirming your order to ensure accuracy. Finally, let's explore the one cancels the other, or OCO, order. This powerful tool combines a stop limit order with a take-profit limit order into a single entry. If your stop limit order is triggered and executed, your take-profit order is automatically canceled, and vice versa. This provides a comprehensive strategy for both protecting your capital from downside risk and securing profits when your target price is reached, all in one go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.